Hello class, Mrs. Turner here, ready to help you show your understanding of words using a Frayer model. Let's start with an example. Here is an example of a Frayer model with the word flattery. In the middle you will have the word that you are studying. The other four boxes around the outside of the word will help you define the word, use an illustration for the word, think of examples for the word, and think of non-examples or opposites for the word. In the first box, you will define what the word means. So in this case, flattery is to try to please by complimentary remarks or attention. In the illustration box, there is a picture of a dad and a daughter who is dressed up in a costume. Using words that the dad's saying, I can show what the word flattery means. Honey, that is the best Halloween costume. You did a great job making it. Therefore, he's giving her compliments or attention, showing her that she's done a really good job. Next, the examples box allows you to provide more examples of the word. So, in this case, telling someone that they look pretty today is flattery. After dinner, telling your dad that he makes the best tacos is another example of flattery. And telling a friend how well they did on a project is another example of flattery. The final box is including non-examples or opposites. So some opposites of flattery are making fun of someone's new outfit or telling your friend that his hair is a mess. Now it's going to be your turn to create a Frayer model for each of our words that we're studying this week. Our first word is a boat. At this time, I want you to pause the video and complete the illustration box, example box, and non-example box in your vocabulary notebook. Great job. Let's move on to the next word. The next word is apparel. Notice the definition is clothing. Now, pause the video and fill in the illustration, examples, and non-examples box in your vocabulary notebook. Let's move on to the next word. The next word is seize. The definition, to take hold of suddenly and forcibly. Now, I'd like you to pause the video as you fill out illustration, examples, and non-examples in your vocabulary notebook. Finally, the last word is boast. Boast means to brag or show off. At this time, I want you to pause the video to complete your illustration, examples, and non-examples. Great job! You have completed our 4 Frayer models for today. Now turn in your vocabulary notebook to the word work basket and move on to the next activity.